Yes, ma'am.
Screen repair.
Screen repair. Okay.
Yes. It's like really bad.
It is. Yeah.
It's bad.
Yeah. Okay. This is your phone? Yeah. Oh my.
In her defense, it wasn't her. It was the baby.
You see this, right? The whole screen came off.
Yeah.
Oh.
She dropped it. The baby. She dropped it in the ceramic tile.
Look at this. The whole screen came off. I don't think we're gonna be able to fix this because it came off.
Oh, don't tell her that. She's gonna want a new one.
Yeah, I don't think we can. I'm just kidding. Here, hold on to that. Let me just make it take it.
This is the 13, right? This light pink one?
Yes.
Yeah. How much you got that one for?
Man, I actually have a really, really good deal on that. No, but
What is it? What is it?
Look, I'm not even gonna do that. I'm not gonna look at her. I'm not gonna say, yeah, what do we sell iPhone 13 for? $499, right? $499 plus tax is like $550. I think I have one there for like $350, and it's used, but you can't even tell it's used. $350 is a freaking steal. Yeah, it's a big
It's what, 64 gigabytes?
64 gigabytes. No, yeah, it is. Yeah, that's pretty cheap. I haven't even posted them yet. I got a good deal on 3 of them. It was one pink, one blue, and one white. And I got them for really cheap, so I'm gonna sell them for really cheap.
Okay.
But honestly, that
You said
pink one,
350.
350. That's
Right now.
cheap.
Right now.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
You want me to show it to you?
Yeah, let me see it.
Okay.
I might buy it. You have to earn it.
Okay, so bad news. I lied a little bit.
Okay.
It's not 64.
128.
128.
Okay.
It's actually
I
better.
still think it's better. Yeah.
No, I know it's
She
definitely
likes to
better.
download all those.
So it's a 13 128 for 350. You can, it's used, but look at it. Tell me if you can tell that it's used. I mean, I can't tell that it's used.
I mean, because personally, you usually keep a case and a
We
screen
sell them
protector.
for $499 plus tax. That's like $550. So you're getting $200 off. It's a good deal. But I mean, you're thinking of maybe like replacing it with this?
Yeah. Because that one was mine.
Okay.
She didn't get anything like, like a new one. So I was like, I might get her a new one.
That's a really
like,
good deal, but I mean, it's up to you. Everyone do it. You tell me.
Let me tell my husband.
Yeah,
He's like in the
go
truck.
ahead,
Okay.
go ahead. What's up?
It's a good day.
Yeah, take it.
Yeah,
Okay, cool.
but I'm still gonna fix the other one.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I'll have them fixed. So the iPhone 13 cases are right here. You can grab anyone you want for free,
Okay.
and I'll
Mommy.
go ahead and ring you up and
Thank you.
get you a charger for it.
Mommy, look right here where it says iPhone 13, and you can get a free case, whatever one you want.
So look, they already had dropped the price right there for $399. I told you $349.
Okay.
This is part of the reason why the girls don't ever like me here. And they're like, why you have to come, bro? We already have things at a good price. Why you drop this? I don't care.
I mean, I think it's a blessing in disguise either way. You know it's gonna come back around.
Yeah,